Hello everybody and welcome to this little tutorial on the new Karatbars matching bonus. What I would like to say before I begin is that having personally referred almost 2,000 people into Karatbars International, having built a team of over 20,000 people around the world and having seen people start in the business, begin in the business, leave out of the business, all I can say about this new matching bonus is that it is fantastic. It is really going to help people earn more money in the beginning. It's going to put more money in affiliates' pockets faster. And obviously, the more the people earn quickly, then the more they will obviously go out and build their businesses. So there is no negative, there is no downside to this addition to the compensation plan. And in fact, it wasn't there before. It's actually new money that we now have to earn and new affiliates have to earn as well. So let me quickly explain. A matching bonus is an additional option for affiliates to increase their income. It generates commissions based on the DTPs. Those are called dual team payouts or cycles that are paid to the members of your team. If you don't know what a cycle is, basically in Karatbars International, you have a left team and you have a right team. In that left and right team, you get units based on sales. So if someone buys a marketing package, you get units. If someone buys cash gold, you get units. If someone buys a gram of gold, you get units. Every time you get 25 units on one side and 50 on the other, you get a payout. That payout is dependent on whether you're a bronze, silver, gold, or VIP business partner. For example, in my case, I'm a VIP business partner, so that dual team payout is €80. If you're a gold, for example, it's 60. Now, depending on your status, bronze, silver, gold, or VIP, the matching bonus is counted on the next maximum 7 levels, while dual commissions out of cycles have been earned. I'll come to that in a little minute. But basically, to summarize, if you're a bronze package member or a bronze status member, then you get paid 5% on the first level, it's 5% on the second level. For silver, it goes down 3 levels, gold, it goes down 5 levels, and for a VIP, it goes down 7 levels. So in short, the sooner you get to VIP, the better, because you can earn 7 levels deep. So just to give you a little bit of an example, I'm a VIP member. If someone on my 7th level today earns, excuse me, if someone earns €80, I earn 5% of that. So I earn €4. Really, really simple to understand, really, really easy. If you're a bronze member, someone on your 2nd level away from you, so you've introduced John, John introduces Mary, Mary gets a dual team payout today of €80, you would earn 5% of that. So really, that's really, really simple, really, really easy to understand from that point of view. Now, how you achieve the matching bonus, and this is really important, you need to have an active status. Now, active status is really, from my point of view, it's really, really good. For someone starting in the business, they might think, oh, this is like a barrier. It's absolutely not, and I'll show you why it's not a barrier in a second. To achieve an active status, you simply need to have a dual team payout. So that means you have to have a cycle yourself, or you have a direct commission. Now, the great thing about the Karatbars compensation plan is that you can earn a direct commission from the first 3 levels of your business. So, for example, you've introduced Mary, John, and Michael. They must all be Irish, but Mary, John, and Michael, you've introduced them anyway. Well, you don't need to sell something yourself. If Mary, John, or Michael actually get a direct commission, you've earned a direct commission on that as well. Because in the Karatbars compensation plan, you earn 10% on the first level, direct commission on the first level, you earn 3% on the second level, and you earn 2% on the third level. So you can earn direct commission 3 levels deep anyway. So it doesn't need to be your own activity. Let's imagine you've gone on holiday next week. You're obviously not going to be selling any packages. You're not going to be earning any direct commissions because you're not doing anything yourself. Well, it only needs to be someone in your first level that gets that sale, or someone in your second level, or someone in your third level that gets that sale, because if they earn a direct commission, you are earning a direct commission on those purchases for the first 3 levels. So it's not that difficult to keep yourself active. The other way to keep yourself active is that if you get 25 units on one side, 50 on the other, you've earned a dual team payout. If you earn a dual team payout, you're active as well. So in effect, either you have to create a direct commission or someone in your first 3 levels, or you get that dual team payout. It's not difficult to remain active. The only person who can't become active is someone who has just started. So you cannot earn a dual matching bonus in the first week, because you're eligible from this the dual team payout you get, or the direct commission this week that you earn, will make you eligible next week. Let me just clarify something here as well. The Karatbars week runs from 12 midnight Central European time until 12 midnight or 11:59 the following Friday night. All right. So for example, I'm here in Ireland. I'm 1 hour behind Central European time. So my week runs from 11 p.m. on Friday night to 11 p.m. the following Friday night. That is my week. So I am now in, it's for example, it's Thursday today. So if I want to remain active this week, I need to make sure I'm getting a direct commission on my first 3 levels, or I've made a dual team payout. And as your business is growing, you will be earning dual team payouts every week anyway. You will be earning direct commissions from helping your first 3 levels of people anyway. So it's not something difficult. It is definitely not a difficult thing to remain active. So here's why being active is so important. And this is why you'll be very happy that being active is so important. Let's imagine, for example, in your business, you've referred 5 people. So you've brought 5 people into Karatbars International, and those 5 people don't do very much. Okay. Let's imagine one of those 5 people brought on someone, and that person is a superstar. Well, the great thing about this, the way the compensation plan has been set up, is that it's done through dynamic compression. Now, what compression basically means is if those first 5 people that you've referred into Karatbars International don't actually do anything, but one of them introduces a superstar, well, that superstar who earns a commission, earns a dual team payout this week, becomes your first level. Okay, it will then search through all his first level to find all the active people, and by active I mean they have earned a dual team payout. Okay, active in this sense, in the dynamic compression sense, means it only counts people who have earned a dual team payout. Okay, you're getting how really big this can be now. So let's imagine, I'll use an example. I've introduced John. John doesn't do anything, doesn't earn any dual team payouts this week. Well, he's not my first level. It will search through all John's referrals to find all the people who have earned a dual team payout. They become my number ones. It will then search through all their referrals to find the people who have earned a dual team payout. Those people become my number 2. So as you can see from the way the dynamic compression works, is that it is only counting the people who have earned a dual team payout. It's not counting people who earned a direct commission, like the eligibility. So it's making it easy for us to become eligible, and it's making it only count the people who earn dual team payouts, which means in effect we could get paid 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 levels deep in our business. And if you start building your business, you will see how exciting this can be. This is a fantastic addition to the compensation plan. It's going to put so much money into new affiliates' pockets, which is great. Karatbars have put more money into the compensation plan. They've put more ways to earn into the compensation plan. So just to be clear on that again, to be eligible this week, you need to have had a dual team payout last week or a direct commission on your first 3 levels. And for someone to count as one of your 7 levels, they must have earned a dual team payout this week. Okay, if they haven't earned a dual team, if they haven't earned a dual team payout this week, then it will search down to the next level and find the people who have. Really exciting. Finally, if you want to see if you're eligible, just log into your back office. On your dashboard, bottom left, you will see matching bonus status, and you will see eligible. Now, if you're not eligible there and you've been in the business for a few weeks, it should give you an incentive to start building your business. It should give you an incentive to go out there and get 1 direct commission this week, because it means that next week you will be able to pick up all those matching bonuses 7 levels deep in your business. There is no downside to this part of the plan. It's an addition to the plan. It's not something we ever had before. So anything that puts more money into affiliates' pockets in my book is fantastic. The eligibility thing is, as you can see, for the 7 levels is a fantastic thing, because it means that it's missing out all those people who are not doing anything, and you're earning from all those people, active people, 7 levels deep in your business. Really fantastic. Great addition to the compensation plan. Great addition to Karatbars International and Karatgold. And it's just one of the things that Harold Sites and Karatbars have included and added to the compensation plan for us. There's lots more exciting things coming in the weeks and months ahead. So my advice is get registered, get back to your sponsor, get registered, start building your business, start sharing your videos, start sharing your links with people, and start growing your businesses in 2019. So thanks very much for watching. I hope that's been informative. I hope it's made it very clear for you now, and I hope to see you again on another tutorial. Thanks very much.